Hello friends, myself Samarth BM, and in this video I'm going to show you how to execute word count program in Flink in both batch mode as well as the streaming mode. So batch mode in the sense your data will be at rest. So you can see this is my sample data. I'll be performing word count for this data. So this data is already saved and it is ready for processing. So it will be at rest. This is known as batch mode. The streaming mode in the sense you will be continuously feeding the data and output will be continuously generated. So it is the streaming data. So I'm going to show you the both examples. So first let's start with the batch mode example. So if you have downloaded the Flink software, you will already have some jar files. So you can go inside your examples. So first I will be showing the batch mode. So inside of batch mode I have this word count.jar. Okay. So first you will go inside your Flink directory and you will be executing this command. So here you will be saying that this is a jar I want to execute, and this is the input file, the location of input file, and I want to store my output file in this particular directory as output.txt. Okay, so we'll copy this. So you can see it took less than a second to execute this job because my data is very small. So you can go to that output directory to check the output. So I have it in Flink word count output. So you can see R has been appeared for 2 times, fine has appeared for 1 time. Similarly, hi, how has appeared for 2 times, you has also appeared for 2 times, and I am has appeared for 1 time. So this is how you can perform the word count in batch mode. So now I'll be showing how you can perform the word count in streaming mode. For that, similarly, you will have the jar file in Flink. You can go to your examples. You have the streaming directory. Inside this, you can see the socket text stream word count.jar. If it is not there, then you can download it externally. So for that, first what you have to do is you have to log a port where you want to execute it. For example, here I'll be logging the port 9000. So I'll be using this command nc lk in the sense log the port 9000. So my port is logged. Okay. So now I'll be opening a new terminal. Here I'll be running my particular file, the jar file where it is present, and I'm saying my host name is localhost and my port is 9000. So I'll be running this now. Sorry, you have to go inside your Flink directory and you can execute this. Okay, the job has been submitted and you have the job ID. So again you will open another new terminal to check the output. So further command is this, because all the output will be stored in a particular log file. So you want to open a log file and check. Okay, again I forgot to go inside my Flink directory. I can minimize this and I'll open my port. So here I'll be saying sending my input, so SAM. So you can see as I'm giving the input, I'm getting the count as well. So I'll write one more SAM. So count has been increased. So continuously I'm feeding the input and continuously I'm getting the output as well. So this is how you can perform your word count in both batch mode as well as the streaming mode by using the input jar file provided by the Flink. Thank you.